$40. Call my own towing company.
Jay, what are you doing? What did you just pick up? Uh-oh. What are you doing, buddy? Doggone. Put the stick in the trash. Come over here. Put it in the trash right there. Good boy. Oh, okay, all done. Come here. Come here. Come here. Jay, where's the pop? Where's the pop? Go ahead. Go get the pop. Nope, the bottom one. Go get the pop. Go ahead. Get the pop. The bottom.
Bottom. In here. See? Sweet pop.
Pop. Say pop.
Go ahead, pull. Pull it. Would you give up that quick? Pop.
There you go. See, thank you for the pop. Grandma, open
No
it.
more in there.
There we go. There we go. Pop. Yay. Good boy. You got your favorite pop. The banana pop. Yay. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Yay, we got the pop. Where you going now? You're quit. You're fast. You going to see Grandpa? Hi, Grandpa. Now where you going?
You looking for Puma? Where's Puma?
Who's the kicking?
Where's Puma?
Who's the kicking?
I use the thing for trees.
Let's see. Let's get the... Maybe they'll come out if you give them their new food. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-O. Ready? Let's go find the kicking. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Let's go find the kitty cat. You think he's under the bed? Norman, can you try to get him out with this cat toy or the food? I'm on video for you. He is under the bed. I saw him earlier.
What I did before.
Okay.
Puma.
Let's see if he's under the bed, Jaden. Look.
My tree?
Let's look under here. Let's look under here.
Puma.
Come here, cat. I don't see anybody. Wait a minute. Yep. Joe's underneath there.
Is it Joe?
Yeah.
Joe in his new tree.
Can you give Joe his new toy?
Joe doesn't care about toys.
Well, he doesn't care about treats. He doesn't care about food. Where's the cat? Come on out, Joe. I know what he cares about. If you want to hold this video, just make sure you point it on Jaden and me. Not like, make sure you don't get too much of a mess. Hey, come here. Come on. Joe. Oh, there we go.
Puma.
Oh, thank you. There you go. Come back out, Kiki. Come back out, kitty cat.
Puma.
Eat your pop. Your pop.
Puma.
Don't let your pop fall out.
Puma.
Call Puma. Say Puma.
Puma. Puma.
Fix your pop. There you go. Hold it like that.
Okay, look at the camera.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Okay, we're going down Jaden now.
Come on, Jaden.
Jaden, that's the vacuum cleaner. You'll learn how to vacuum shortly.
Come on.
Okay. Okay, come on, Jaden.
Okay, here we go. Hey, you. Where are you going? You getting your ball? Jaden. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna rinse it off. Oh, it was in the paper. That's good. Is that good? What's the kitty doing? What's that kitty doing? Say hi, Puma. Puma. Oh. Puma. Say Puma. Call him. Puma. Jaden, call him. Puma. Puma. Call him. Say Puma. Say Puma. Call the kitty. Call the kitty. Puma. Here, Puma. Come on, Puma. Maybe we should go see Grandma. He doesn't seem like he wants to come out now, okay? We'll go see Grandma? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Over here. Come on. Okay. I'm going to shut it off. I have no idea. Maybe not.